Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain monthly sales bar chart. Here we have been given a monthly sales data wherein we have been given a monthly sale and we have to represent this sale into a bar chart. How to do so? Let's start this. First select this data, go to insert 2D bar chart. You will get a chart like this. Now right click this chart. Now clear this legend. Select this chart, go to layout, go to grid lines, erase vertical grid lines. Now select this axis, right click this one, go to format axis, select categories in reverse order, close this one. Now delete both the axes. Now right click these bars, go to format data series, reduce the gap from 150 to 40%. Now right click these bars, add data labels, again right click these labels, go to format data labels, select inside the base. When you do so, you will get labels inside the bars. Now go to home, select this one, increase the font size, make it white so that it is properly visible. Now click the upper part of this chart, go to format, shape fill as fill, select shape outline as no. Now insert a basic shape of this kind. Right click this one and resize the shape and rotate this shape to 90%. Now adjust this shape against these bars. Now select this shape, go to format, select no outline. Now adjust this shape against the bar. Now insert a text box, write Jan in this box, select this text box, go to format, select no fill, select no outline. Now rotate this text box a little bit so that it should be adjusted within the shape. Now make it a bit bold so that it is properly visible. Increase the the font size. So it is correctly adjusted against the bars. Now select both the shapes, right click both the shapes and group these shapes. Now copy this one and Control V. Again copy this one and Control V. And adjust against the bar. Again Control V. Now adjust all these shapes against the bar. Once you are done with that, change the label heading, like this is for Feb, this one is for March, this one is for April, and the last one is for May. Now once you've done that, select these bars, right click these bars, go to format data series, go to fill and select vary color by point. When you do so, it will give different color to these bars. Now now select every shape, go to fill, shape fill, select a color matching to it. Again select another shape, go to fill and select a color matching with it. Again select a third shape, go to format and select a shape fill and select a color matching to it. Again select fourth shape, go to shape fill and select a matching color with it. So this is how my monthly sales bar chart is ready, and it's looking very nice now. You can use such a bar chart in your dashboard. It will make a good impact on the viewer. Thank you. I hope you like this learning today. Bye bye.